Howdy, I wanted to show you this. Maybe it'll help you. I only had bought a 50-foot roll of 240, 12 2-wire from the breaker box. So I ran it to the ceiling instead of over here on the wall. So I thought that was smart because then I could reach maybe in the driveway. But anyways, I had this cable problem laying on the floor, laying over this stuff, draped over this and that. So I bought a spring balancer. They're $8 a piece on Amazon. They only go about 8 feet. They don't click and lock. They just, like that. But that's the max, about 5 feet. But you can walk and not have to worry about stuff. And then let me grab my spaceship charger. And then it just kind of, if I don't back the car in, it just lays over the car and I charge it, And then, of course, when it's charging too, I can walk through here and it's not on the floor. But, and then when I'm done, I need to 3D print one of them holder thingies. And I can, but for now it's Jimmy Rig style. But I can walk, and it's nice. They're $8 a piece. They're called spring balancers or retractable cable tool holders. Amazon, $8. No bonus for me. Just letting you know, hey, they're handy. They don't reach far though, 5 feet. So you can control the tension if you want them to like really pull or not a whole lot. Anyway, one other thing I wanted to show you. Nobody or their mother even wants these 21s, so I bought some. So I bought these. That's exciting. That's not why I made the video, but yeah, that's exciting. Anyways, I hope that helps you. And pick 1 or 2, 3 up. They're handy. Maybe a longer cable. I don't know. But this works. Have a nice day.